Hi guys, and welcome back to Elements of Food. Today we're going to be making steak tamales. Start by boiling your pasilla and California chilies on medium heat for 15 minutes. Once those are done, go ahead and pull them out of the broth and drop in your steak, sliced onions, and 2 garlic. Cook until tender, slice and set aside. In a blender, place your cooked onions, 2 garlic, and a half cup of broth. Start opening your chilies and deseed what's left. Now place them inside your blender. Blend on high until smooth. In a really hot pan with a little bit of oil, drop in your beef and then your sauce. Add a little bit of water to your blender to get the excess sauce out. Add salt and pepper to your liking. Some tomato sauce. I use tomato paste because I like my sauce thicker, but I recommend tomato sauce. Half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Drop 20 corn husks into some warm water to soak for about 15 minutes. Tear about 4 leaves into half-inch strips for your ties. Peel your potato and cut into wedges, as well as your jalapeno. I use carrots instead of olives, but those are both optional. Now onto your masa. Use the remainder of your broth, half tablespoon of salt, and half teaspoon of pepper. Mix half a tablespoon of baking powder with a little bit of broth. Mix it well and add it in. Pour your broth in slowly while mixing to get the perfect consistency, along with your oil. Adding water as needed. If you don't have enough broth, add bouillon cubes like I'm using here. I also added a little bit of jalapeno juice for flavor. That's optional. Your texture should be like grits and spreadable like peanut butter. Now to wrap up. Your leaf should be smooth side up. Spread your masa on evenly, about 1/4 inch thick. Don't overdo it. It will expand and fill out nicely once it's cooked. Now add your meat and other fillings to your liking. Change it up, make it your own. Now roll and tie it up like this. Don't tie it too tight so it doesn't explode in the pot. Your tamales should look like this. Place a steamer basket in a pot and cover it with corn husk. Fill up with water to the basket. Drop them in, but don't overpack. Place on the stove at medium heat for about an hour. Keep an eye on your water levels so your pot doesn't burn. It will stink up your tamales and you don't want that. Your tamales should feel like a soft avocado. If they are still too soft, continue steaming them for another 5 minutes. And voila! I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.